Welcome to our channel. Autumn is so beautiful with pretty colors everywhere. However, the air is drier in autumn and our skin loses moisture easily. To keep our skin hydrated and glowing, we should eat foods that are good for our skin. Today I'll be introducing 5 foods that are great for beauty and anti-aging. They're not only delicious but also help us stay youthful. Let's welcome autumn with energy and vitality. Autumn is the harvest season, and jujubes are ripe for picking. Each red jujube is like a sparkling ruby in the autumn. Jujube is not only sweet but also very nutritious. Since ancient times, people have considered jujube a treasure, especially favored by many women. Jujube is rich in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that helps us fight free radicals and keep our skin looking young. Not only that, but jujube also helps our skin produce collagen, making it more elastic and reducing wrinkles. So if you want rosy and radiant skin, be sure to eat more jujubes this autumn. The history of jujube can be traced back thousands of years. In ancient times, the Chinese people began to cultivate and consume jujubes. Jujube is not only a delicious fruit but also regarded as a medicinal herb. In traditional Chinese medicine, jujube is believed to have the effect of nourishing blood and qi, commonly used to treat anemia and physical weakness. Jujube can also help improve sleep quality, relieve stress, and anxiety. Modern research has also found that jujube is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Jujube has a wide range of uses. It can be eaten directly or used to make a variety of delicacies. For example, jujube porridge, jujube cake, jujube tea, and so on. Jujube can also be used to make wine, producing jujube wine. Jujube wine not only tastes sweet but also helps promote blood circulation and strengthen the body. In autumn, many families pick jujubes and make various jujube delicacies to enjoy the joy of harvest. Jujube is not only popular in China but also enjoyed by many people worldwide. In the Middle East and North Africa, jujube is also a common fruit. Locals like to use jujube to make desserts and drinks. In Western countries, jujube is gradually gaining popularity as part of a healthy diet. The sweet taste and rich nutritional value of jujube make it a popular healthy snack. In conclusion, jujube is a very valuable fruit. It not only tastes sweet but is also rich in various nutrients, offering many benefits to our health. This autumn, why not eat more jujubes and enjoy the deliciousness and health benefits it brings? Whether eaten directly or used to make various delicacies, jujube will surely bring you a delightful surprise. Let's savor the ruby of autumn jujube. Chinese yam, with its earthy brown exterior and jade-like white flesh, offers a delicate taste and texture. Autumn's dryness can easily harm the spleen and stomach. Chinese yam, with its neutral and sweet nature, can nourish the spleen and stomach, helping us absorb nutrients better. Chinese yam is rich in mucilage, which can make our skin more elastic, firm, and radiant. Additionally, Chinese yam can also promote metabolism and help eliminate toxins from the body, allowing our skin to radiate a healthy glow from the inside out. Chapter 3. Golden Autumn Sunshine. Pumpkin. Golden pumpkins, like the autumn sun, bring us warmth and energy. Pumpkins are not only delicious but also rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in our body. Vitamin A is especially good for our skin. It can promote skin cell regeneration, repair damaged skin barriers, and make our skin smoother and more delicate. Additionally, pumpkin has antioxidant properties that can delay skin aging, allowing us to maintain a youthful glow even in autumn. The process of growing pumpkins is also very interesting. Every spring, farmers sow pumpkin seeds in the fields. Over time, the seeds germinate and sprout tender green seedlings. In summer, pumpkin vines grow rapidly and bloom with beautiful yellow flowers. By autumn, the pumpkins gradually mature, turning into golden fruits, waiting to be harvested. Pumpkin not only has a long history of cultivation in China, but is also widely loved around the world. In the United States, pumpkin is an essential ingredient for Thanksgiving, and pumpkin pie is a classic dessert on the holiday table. In Europe, pumpkin soup and pumpkin stew are also delicious dishes in autumn and winter. Pumpkin is very nutritious. In addition to beta-carotene, pumpkin is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients play an important role in our health. Vitamin C can boost immunity and help us resist colds and other diseases. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that can protect cells from free radical damage. Potassium helps maintain heart health and regulate blood pressure. Fiber, on the other hand, aids digestion and prevents constipation. There are also many ways to cook pumpkin. You can cut the pumpkin into pieces and steam it to make pumpkin porridge. You can also slice the pumpkin and bake it to make pumpkin chips. You can also puree the pumpkin to make pumpkin soup. No matter how you prepare it, pumpkin can bring us deliciousness and health. In short, pumpkin is not only a delicious autumn delicacy, but also a treasure trove of healthy nutrients. Let's eat more pumpkin this golden autumn season and enjoy the warmth and energy it brings. Chapter 4. The King of Nuts, Walnuts. Walnuts are known as the king of nuts, and their nutritional value goes without saying. Walnuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. Our skin, being the largest organ of our body, also needs the protection of vitamin E. Regularly eating walnuts can help us delay skin aging, reduce wrinkles, and keep our skin youthful. Additionally, walnuts can also moisturize the skin, relieving the discomfort caused by autumn dryness. Walnuts are not only a rich source of vitamin E, but are also rich in many other nutrients. For example, walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are very beneficial for heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids can lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood and increase good cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts can also improve brain function, enhance memory, and cognitive abilities. For students and the elderly, walnuts are excellent brain food. Walnuts are also rich in protein and dietary fiber. Protein is an essential component for our body to build and repair tissues, while dietary fiber contributes to the health of our digestive system. Regular consumption of walnuts can help us maintain smooth bowel movements and prevent constipation. At the same time, dietary fiber in walnuts can also increase satiety and help control weight. There are also many ways to eat walnuts. We can eat raw walnuts directly or add walnuts to various dishes. For example, walnuts can be used to make walnut sauce, added to salads, or used to bake bread and cakes. Walnuts can also be used to make walnut milk as a substitute for cow's milk, especially suitable for people with lactose intolerance. Overall, walnuts are a very healthy food, suitable for people of all ages. Whether it's for maintaining youthful skin or for protecting heart and brain health, walnuts are a great choice. So, let's eat some walnuts every day and enjoy the health benefits they bring. Chapter 5. Sweet and Refreshing, Persimmon. Autumn persimmons, hanging red from the branches, are like small lanterns illuminating the entire season. Not only are persimmons sweet and delicious, but they are also rich in vitamin A, which can promote skin cell metabolism, help remove old cuticles, and make our skin smoother and more delicate. Additionally, persimmon has antioxidant effects, which can delay skin aging, allowing us to maintain a youthful state while enjoying its deliciousness. These are the 5 beauty and anti-aging foods for autumn that I'm introducing today. I hope you liked them and found them helpful. While enjoying delicious food, we should also pay attention to a balanced diet to have a healthy body and beautiful skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.